Okay. Nandito na naman Sir Javi guys. Election winner na. Bahala kong election mo dra. Yapon may kabutar. Okay, shake. Now, try natin mag-solve ng complex differential equation. Okay. Pero bago tayo magsimula, hindi natin dito pwedeng kalimutan ng ating alamat. Okay. Shake, Sir Javi. Complex differential equation. Tingnan natin kung paano natin ito isi-solve mga ganitong problem. Okay. Y is equal to x raised to 5 over quantity 1 minus 10x then square root of x squared plus 2. Tingnan nyo yung equation guys. Kukunin natin ang first derivative nito. Pero paano? How? Diba pwede natin ito gamitan quotient rule? Diba? Quotient rule. Yeah, pwede natin ito gamitan quotient rule and product rule. Kasi, dalawang function ang nasa denominator. Pero, the process is not really easy as you think. Dito, apply natin ito ng natural logarithmic functions both sides. So, ang mangyayari, solve natin ito gamit ang implicit differential. Kapag ganito guys, mga masyadong complex na, kapag apply na siya ng quotient rule and product rule at the same time, magkasabay ang product and quotient rule, pwede niyo siyang i-simplify into logarithmic functions. Ito, lagyan natin ng lny. Ito, ln, x raised to over 5. Ating, ito, x raised to 5. 1 minus 10x square root of x squared plus 2. Yan, naka-ln. Dapat naka-ln siya. Okay. Now, ito. After this, Sir Javi, ano naman gagawin natin? I-apply natin dito yung mga properties ni logarithmic function. Diba? For example, kapag for example, ito, ln x over y. Diba, ang property niyan dapat nakasubtract yan, ln x minus ln y. Di ba naka-fraction din ito? So, gamitan natin ito ng properties ng log. ln x raised to 5. Tama? Then, minus ito. 1 minus 10x then square root of x squared plus 2. After that one, Sir Javi, meron din siyang ln yan. Now, after that, atin siyang i-simplify further yung ln natin. Distribute lang natin ang mangyayari. lny, ln x raised to 5 minus ln 1 minus 10x minus ln square root of x squared plus 2. Tama? So, next tayo. lny, ano ngayon? ln x raised to 5 minus ln 1 minus 10x then ln ouch, bakit? ln square root x squared plus 2. Dito Sir Javi, gagamitan natin ito ng mayroon yung square root yan. Gagamitan na natin dito na yung implicit differential. Ating i-derive yung both sides with respect to x. Di ba ang derivative ng ln? Di ba ang derivative ng ln x is 1 over x? Tama? Yun. Di ba? Ano yung derivative ng ln y? Naka-y siya, then with respect to x, ang derivative niya is 1 over y. Kapag y with respect to x, lagyan lang natin yang dy over dx. Therefore, 1 over y, dy over dx. Kasi, dinerive natin yung y with respect to x. Ito 1 over x raised to 5, chain rule. Multiply natin sa derivative ng x, 5x raised to 4. Minus ito, 1 1 minus 10x times derivative ng 1 minus 10x, negative 10. Ito, 1 over square root of x squared plus 2. Or, pwede na yan, ito, x squared plus 2 raised to 1 half. Then, derivative ng x squared plus 2 raised to 1 half, ito, 1 half, chain rule, x squared plus 2 times 2x. Kasi derivative ng x squared plus 2, then 2x. Now, ating simplify, y prime, 1 over y, dy over dx. Ito, ating simplify, x raised to 5th. Ito, maging positive na yan. So, negative 10, 1 minus 10x. Ito, minus 1 half, x squared plus 2. Di ba, mayroon yung 1 half dyan pala. Mayroon 1 half minus 1 kasi 1 half minus 1 yung derivative power rule. Minus 1. This is negative 1 half. Then, times 2x over x squared plus 2 raised to 1 half. Now, ano naman gagawin natin dito, Sir Javi? Ang gagawin natin dito, Sir Javi, ano nang gagawin natin? I-simplify natin further. Ito, di ba y prime? O pwede na yung y prime over y. Kasi y prime and dy over dx is the same. Ito, simplify natin. The same yung base nila. Ano lang, ilang x variable, i-subtract lang natin yung exponent. 4 minus 5, negative 1. Tama? Ito, maging positive na yan. Positive 10. 1 minus 10x. Ito, di ba, parehas ng x squared plus 2, x squared plus 2, then ang exponent, i-subtract lang natin. So, negative 1 half minus 1 half, that is negative 1. So, sagot natin dito, negative 1 half, x squared plus 2, negative 1 times 2x. Kasi meron 2x. So, cancel na yan. Ang natira, y prime over y. Ito, 5 over x. Tama ba? Okay, simplify natin. Ito, plus 10 over 1 minus 10x. Ito, maging, ano na ito? 1 half times 2, that is 1. So, ang natira, minus x over x squared plus 2. Kasi mayroong negative 1, ilagay natin sa denominator para maging positive yung exponent niya. Ito, i-cross multiply lang natin ito, Sir Javi. Ito, i-cross multiply lang natin yung y. I-cross multiply lang natin yung y. So, matira, y prime is equal to y, 5 over x plus 10, 1 minus 10x minus x squared plus 2. Di ba yung y natin is equal to, ito, given, substitute lang natin yan dito sa y. So, ang sagot natin dito, dy over dx, x raised to 5 over 1 minus 10x, square root of x squared plus 2, then, ito, 5 over x plus 10, 1 minus 10x minus x squared plus 2. Ito yung sagot natin, Sir Javi, sa this one, this problem. Actually, pwede natin itong gamitan ng quotient rule and product rule. Pero, masyadong mataas yung process ng quotient rule, at the same time, product rule. Kasi, kapag kunin yung derivative ng denominator, gagamitan natin ito ng product rule. Di ba, ang formula ng quotient rule, f prime of x, g of x, minus g prime of x, f of x, over g of x, then, naka-square dito. Then, kunin natin yung first derivative ng, try nyo, power rule and quotient rule. Pero dito, ginamitan ko ng logarithmic function and implicit differential equation. So, ito yung sagot natin, x raised to 5 over 1 minus 10x, square root of x squared plus 2, then 5 over x plus 10 over 1 minus 10x minus x over x squared plus 2. Okay, shake, shake, shake.